In the quest for inner peace and mental well-being, we often picture serene settings, dimly lit rooms, incense wafting through the air, and the gentle sound of gongs in the background. It's the quintessential image of relaxation, isn't it? But what if we told you that the path to tranquility doesn't always require such mystique? All of those elements can enhance the experience of breathwork. But breathwork doesn't always have to be wrapped in mysticism or hidden away in a dark corner. It's just like most things in life. It can and should be individualized and customizable. You can practice breathwork just about anywhere, even in well-lit spaces with the sounds of everyday life in the background. It's all about making it work for you. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the profound connection between breath and mental health. An exploration that takes us from slow diaphragmatic breathing to heart rate variability biofeedback and beyond. Breathwork, as we're about to discover, is not just a matter of inhales and exhales. It's a doorway to a world of profound mental and emotional transformations. The efficacy of breathwork in alleviating anxiety is backed by years of research and scientific scrutiny. Studies have illuminated the deep interplay between our breath and the intricate dance of anxiety. In this video, we'll delve into the fascinating findings from the benefits of breathwork, unlocking the secrets of how mindfulness can be a powerful ally in the battle against anxiety. From diaphragmatic breathing to capnometry-assisted therapies, the spectrum of breathwork practices is as diverse as it is effective, and we'll unravel the key to understanding which techniques work best for you. So take a deep breath and join us on this journey. As we delve into the world of breathwork, you'll come to appreciate its versatility power and the profound impact it can have on your mental well-being. Are you ready to discover the art of breathwork and how it can be your key to unlocking a calmer, more balanced you? Let's get started. There's different breathwork practices that we can delve into. The first is a simple box breathing method. We can simply breathe in for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold at the top. Exhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. And we simply repeat that until we feel calm, or even beyond. Once we feel calm, we keep going. It's just a simple breathing in, holding at the top, and breathing out. Something that I like to do to help with my breath work is I do like to count, or I will simply say, I am breathing in, I am breathing out. Counting or saying something within my mind really helps me silence that inner chatter that as a human being naturally happens. And that's okay, because maybe when I'm breathing in, a thought trickles in one ear and it comes within my mind. I acknowledge it, I accept it, and then on my exhale, I let it release and exit out of my opposite ear. There's other different types of breath work, like alternative mudra breathing. On our breath in, we'll start on our right and we'll open our mudra. We'll breathe in. At the top of our breath, we'll close our mudra. We'll open the opposite and we'll breathe out. And we just keep that going. Inhale, open mudra, close, open the opposite, exhale. It also is helpful to find that jhana mudra because it's the mudra of concentration. And that's all breath work and meditation is simply solely focusing on our breath. Trying, the main word trying, to silence the outside world or the inside chatter of our mind with the power of our breath. Another mudra breath work is alternative nostril breathing. So we'll just take our thumb and our index finger and we'll slightly position it outside of our nose. We won't press down and we'll inhale through the open nostril, close, open the opposite, exhale. And you can keep that going for as long as you would like to. One of the most exciting aspects of breathwork is its impact on our emotional health. By practicing deep, controlled breathing, we stimulate the body's relaxation response, shifting us from fight or flight to rest and digest. This, in turn, boosts the release of neurotransmitters like serotonin, which plays a crucial role in regulating our mood. Another form of transformative breath work could be to focus on a mantra. One of the millions of mantras is from Sanskrit, saying sa da na ma, sa meaning infinity, ta meaning life, na death, and ma rebirth. This mantra translates to shedding the old you and becoming who you were meant to be, your true self. Try breathing in, sa da na ma, breathing out, sa da na ma. If that mantra breathwork does not resonate with you, that is more than all right, as long as we are trying different methods. In our fast-paced world, stress is a constant companion for many of us. But breathwork can be a powerful tool for combating it. Deep intentional breathing helps lower cortisol levels, teaching our bodies to respond to stressors with greater resilience. Trying to practice responding to situations or people rather than reacting. The only difference between a response and a reaction is the time we take to breathe and think, meditate on how we want to move forward. This helps create a calming sensation within our mind and our physical body. The relaxation response induced by breathwork has a profound effect on reducing stress, which is backed by scientific evidence. Let's try creating a breathwork routine. How can you start incorporating breathwork into your daily routine for better mental health? Perhaps we start first thing in the morning when we wake up. Before grabbing our phone, let's take a couple of box breathing rounds. Perhaps we try a mantra, or even saying a couple of times, I am breathing in, I am breathing out. Or perhaps we try at night. Potentially the most effective, we practice breathwork all throughout the day. Remember, we can practice everywhere and anywhere. Simply initiating this habit will allow it to become second nature, and our mental well-being will become better. All we need to do is make an effort. Remember, it all starts with us. Our mental health begins with us. Energy is transferable. Let's do our positive part and begin to make an effort to improve our well-being. I hope these practices helped you. Thank you so much.